now?
Yeah, why not?
Introduce Steve then.
Yeah, well, this is Steve. By Steve.
Okay.
With a bit of luck, if we video him, he'll make a muck of it.
Right then, here we go.
This is rubber burning Steve Powell. Going for a go now.
Will he do it? What did he say? What did he say, Dad?
I don't know. I just laughed.
Great start. Oh, that's very fast on that gate. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Oh, I took that corner with delight. The slalom here is very nice. Oh, wonderful. He's taking that wonderfully. He could be doing it faster though. Oh, look at that. That was so quick. Better than that Steve Morton could do. Steve, ow, that hurt. That Steve Morton's a disgrace, he is. Oh, wonderful. Oh, wonderful. Very nice. Right, introduce the next driver then.
This is Tim Sargeant, brother of gear lever breaker Bob Sargeant.
Wow. Hang on, he's cheating. Very relaxed.
It's Tim. I bought Diana's old car, Sargeant.
Start, you could do better though. Walk around, oh it's nice, that is very nice. He's reversing, isn't it? That fast, he's got to do it more faster. Oh, he's good at slalom. Oh, he went up the pitch there so fast. Oh, very nice, very nice. He's not quite as fast as Steve, whatever you call him. Powell. Very nice. Gosh, this is a done. I don't know what engine in a minute. I think it's a 1600. Very nice. Very nice car indeed. Oh, that is nice. That is very nice. That's wonderful. I don't want it.